struggling with your budget, you're not alone. Most people start strong but quickly get frustrated, feel trapped, or just like it doesn't even work. Listen, today I'm going to show you how to fix your budget with one mindset shift and three simple steps to change how you see money forever. Listen, who am I? I only use this same tactics to get myself out of $205,000 in debt. So I know it works. And it'll work for you too. So I remember when I used to set a budget, and by the second week, I felt defeated. My bills were bigger than my paycheck, emergencies would pop up, and I felt like I was failing. I felt like I was failing my family. I was failing as a mother. I was failing as an adult. But most of us see budgets as restrictions, like a diet for our money. But that's the wrong way to look at it. Drop a hands up if you ever said budgeting doesn't work for me. I know I've said it, so I'm going to raise my hand. But in order for it to work, you do have to do a mind shift. A budget isn't a prison, it's a freedom plan. It's not about what you can't do, it's about what you can do. It's about being a good steward over your finances, over what God has blessed you with. Proverbs 21 and 5 says, "The plans of the diligent leads surely to abundance." I'm going to break down three simple fixes. Number one, rename it. Call it a freedom plan instead of saying it a budget. Words can shape your perspective. Every dollar has a purpose. Connect it to a category like rent, shelter, giving, impact, grocery, provision, vacation, whatever goal you have for your life. Pray over your finances before you even open up your bills. The after you created a plan, and sometimes during the middle, especially when you're looking at your bill and you get emotional, you want to add God to it, honey, because invite God in before you even finalize it. Say, Lord, show me how to steward this for your glory. And it works. You want to walk through a quick before and after scenario. Like before, rent, groceries, utility, leftover, gone. After, is shelter for my family, provisions for my table, impact through giving, savings, future, same money, but now it's working for you instead of against you. I want y'all to type freedom in the comments if you're ready to start looking at your budget differently. Listen, when you stop seeing your money as a burden, you start seeing the blessings, and everything changes. You're no longer stuck, you're in control with God leading the way. Listen, if this message spoke to you so far, hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, share this with somebody who needs to walk in financial freedom. And don't forget to check out my other videos that's going to follow this. Listen, this video is not the last video you're going to see with me helping you get control of your finances. No longer will you be bound by not being able to be a good steward over what God blessed you. Even when the prophet told the woman to go in a house and get the oil and get the vase, she had to know where her oil and her vase was. Therefore, it's about getting on track and walking in obedience so that you can get the results that you want in your life. Okay? You're a child of God. You will no longer be bound by your finances. You're going to learn to walk in abundance, walk as a good steward. And guess what? God will begin to bless you in the place that you never thought you'd be blessed ever. And that is in your finances. when it comes to, because just like the when the prophet told the woman with the oil, guess what? She walked in obedience. Not only did she have enough oil or enough finances to pay her debts, she had an overpouring. Why? Because she walked in obedience. She changed her mindset. She listened to the word that the prophet was giving her, and she walked in obedience because she knew that God would supply. And He's going to supply. But first, we got to get our mindset right. And then we got to invite Him to things. Thirdly, we have to learn how to walk as good steward when it comes to our resources. And that includes our money. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because there's more where this video came from.